Hello, welcome to Modern Computer Training channel. Today our attention will be focusing on drop cap. Drop cap in Microsoft Word 2016. Drop cap actually emphasizes or actually often used at the beginning of a paragraph to emphasize the keywords or the beginning of a paragraph. Many cases you can use it in different ways. You can see it here on my screen. There is an example of a drop cap. So we're going to show you how to do that. In order to insert a drop cap, you need to highlight the text. You're going to take it back to normal. You need to highlight the text you want to use. In this tutorial, we're going to use T as I'm going to drop cap on T. Let's learn how to do it. So after highlighting it, come to insert. So it's highlighted. After insert, you come down this way where you see drop cap. On drop cap, if the first one here is normal, that means you don't want to use drop cap. Or if you have used it before, you want to take it back to normal, you can click on this. The second one, as you can see, we'll select. Now, for you to determine how many lines that the first characters will go through, you will need to come to the drop cap options. When you open drop cap options, if you are here and you want to use this part, you will not be able to use. Okay, in order for you to use, you have to move it from none. Can you see none here to either of these two? So let's move it to dropped. All right, to drop. Under to drop, you can then choose the font you want to use for that. Okay, I'm choosing this for example. All right, and you will determine this is line to drop. How many line? 3 is default, but maybe we can increase it a little more. I'm taking it to 5 or to 6, sorry. All right, now you may distance it. What this simply means, this distance to text simply means the space between the T and the next character or the next letter that follows. You may determine whether to be 0.2, 0.1, 0, and whatever you want to do is quite allowed. Now, remember that we are on dropped. All right, after that, just click on OK button. You see it now? Okay, so I click on OK. You notice that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 were the number of the lines that were selected. So that is how you use drop cap. And because of the characters we use or the fonts we choose, that is why the T look much different to the others. Of course, you can choose the other one. We also have here, we have in margin. In margin simply means that this T, you want it to leave where the character is and come to this part of it, which is called margin. So let's try that and see. When you click on this and choose whatever selections you want to make, make whatever selections you wishes to, okay, and you click on OK, you see it leaving the entire work as much as it can to the margin. Of course, you can manually adjust the number of lines that it will take by coming here and resizing it. But mind you, you should not resize it by the side, only come to this ankle and resize it. Okay, you can resize it so that it reduces the number of lines that it covers. So that is how you use drop cap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So if you do, please smash that subscribe button and actually share this video and like. I want to see your comment, and then whatever you have to discuss about this video, please leave it on the comment section. I would really love to answer you one after the other. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. Hope to see you in the next one.